Hello dear Virgo, welcome back to my channel and this is your May 2nd week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section and find your signs reading. If you're a sun, moon, rising, any sign is Virgo. This reading is for you. Let's begin. We'll start with your love life first. You got the Four of Stars and the Knight card. I do see that some of you are dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Libra Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see that you recently broke up with a person and you are in a lot of pain and hurt, probably going almost into depression, crying every night, overthinking a lot, whether this person will ever come back or not, and how this person can treat you the way they did. I do see that somebody mistreated you a lot, like took you for granted. I also see that this person can be either very young, like there can be a age gap, or they have a very youthful energy, or they are very, very immature. Okay. This person was treating this relationship as an exciting affair where they were, where there was excitement, and as long as there was excitement in your relationship, they were there. The moment things started getting serious, you started demanding commitment or attention or um, commit, sorry, responsibility, accountability, they ran away. Okay. And you think that they have moved on and they, quickly they have moved over to another person also. But don't worry, because this person is like that. They are still in a situationship and they are not looking for commitment. So this on and off energy of this person, the situationship energy of this person is never going to give them the kind of satisfaction, and probably they are not even looking for a commitment or marriage right now. I know you feel hurt, but this is their reality. I also see that this person is the kind of person who looks for attention. They like being center of attention, and probably they could be getting a lot of attention as well. They were there with you till the time they were getting attention. People were talking about the two of you, you were giving them attention, and all this was new for them. But the moment, like I said, they are not looking for commitment. I want to repeat that for you because I know you're hurt and I know that some of you could even be waiting on them to come back. You need a reality check, okay? I do see this person walking in the opposite direction from you, going towards attention, more attention, right? And probably they will be doing this as well. They will be talking to 5 or 10 people at the same time, getting a lot of attention, being very happy. Okay. Later in life, yes, they will regret that they treated you wrong or their choices in life were wrong, but then I do see that it will be too late. So if you are looking for reconciliation with this person or some sort of closure, take this as a warning or a signal or a sign that what is this person's true reality is. Okay. Coming to your career, let's see how that's going to be. You have got the one of moons and the emperor. This card tells me very good things about your career. You are hopeful that you have a bright future, and yes, you do. This week onwards, you will start hearing good news about your career as well, like you getting promotions, bonus, more money, more client, more customers if you have a business. So probably whatever field you are in, you will be getting a lot of financial stability and authority as well. If money was tight in the past or fluctuating a lot, financial stability and balance will be restored. Authority will come to you. Probably you will be promoted to a manager or CEO position where you have a team of people, a group of people to manage. I do see you on top position where you are managing the team. You have people working under you, right? Also, I do see that power is there, and your father figure, head of the family, could have a role to play in this. Probably you got this job because of them, or you're working in their company with them in some way, or they've given you some advice or guidance regarding your life. If you're head of the family, it can be a mother in some cases who don't have a father, brother, husband, anyone who is the head of the family. If they're leading you somewhere, guiding you somewhere, they might come across as somebody who is strict, aggressive, or authoritative, but they mean well. They wish the best for you. So if they're giving you any kind of advice, my advice will be to take it, because it's only going to lead you to success. All right. So I do see a beautiful week for you guys when it comes to your career, but your personal life can hurt a little. Either you are in a relationship, situationship, or marriage. I do see some sort of separation. I also see that the both of you could be at a long distance with each other, or probably not talking to each other right now, or emotional distance where you just cannot understand each other anymore, right? If this is not a physical distance, this is definitely an emotional distance between the two of you, even if you're staying under the same roof and sleeping on the same bed. Okay, so all the very best. I know that all of you cannot really escape this kind of reality, probably because you're married and you have children and you have other problems to deal with. But this is what your situation is going to be in the second week. Hopefully, love life gets better in the next week. If you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Do comment and let me know what is exactly happening in your life. I would love to read your comments, like it, and even try to respond to all of you. So yes, lastly, if you would like to book any personal reading with me, if you have any specific questions regarding any area of your life, you can book one. I do personal readings as well at very minimal rate. I also have audio and video sessions available with me. I also do counseling sessions. So if you think you are going through a troubled time, or if you or your friend or family member is, do share this video with them. Do share the experience with them. Definitely, I will be able to help them, guide them, and give them a remedy with the help of their angels, so that positivity can come back into their life if they have no one to talk to, no one to share their deep, dark secrets with. If you would like to book any ritual, I do rituals as well, a manifestation ritual or a blockage removal ritual. Lastly, I do have packages also, whether you are in love situation or you are single or you have career. I have different packages available at very cheap prices, and every counseling session and package comes with a free remedy with it. Okay, so do email me to know the prices and make the bookings. My email ID is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis over there. The prices and everything are easily available and accessible by all. It starts at minimum 170 rupees and it goes up depending upon your budget, your choices. Okay, so you can choose according to your budget. So yes, this was about it. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and take care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye bye.